I'm Travis Roberts with PileMaster. Today we're going to teach you how to operate an air hammer. This is the control valve used to operate the hammer. The air hose on one side connects to the air compressor, while the hose on the opposite side connects to the hammer. There are arrows on top of both the oiler and the water separator that indicate the direction of airflow. The control valve not only regulates the airflow to the hammer, but also serves as an inline oiler to keep the hammer lubricated. This is the ball valve. This allows you to turn the hammer on and off by rotating the handle. Next is the exhaust silencer. It's responsible for safely releasing the remaining air stored in the hammer's chamber upon shutdown. Here is the oiler. It atomizes droplets of kill frost into the air hose, ensuring proper lubrication of the hammer. To adjust the amount of lubricant flowing out of the oiler, simply adjust the set screw. You can monitor the number of droplets through the sight dome to ensure the desired amount is being dispensed. We recommend 1 to 2 drips per blow of the hammer. This is the water separator. It collects moisture from the air lines and compressor, which can be drained using the petcock at the bottom. The last component is the gate valve. This controls the speed of the hammer. Once set, it typically doesn't need to be adjusted again unless changing the speed or stroke of the hammer. To begin operation, fully open the ball valve and gradually open the gate valve until you hear a pop. This sound indicates the hammer has received enough air and will begin firing after a few seconds. Adjust the gate valve as necessary to prevent overstroking, making sure to use small adjustments. Closing the gate valve will cause the hammer to run at a slower speed, while opening the gate valve will increase the speed. To stop operation, close the ball valve. To resume operation, open it again. Remember, the gate valve usually remains set unless the speed or stroke needs to be adjusted. For more information, visit us online at pilemasterus.com.